And welcome to TonyaLTV. Today on the menu, honey, I am making surf and turf nachos. Guys, this recipe is epic. Let's get right to it. I have my steak here. I've already sliced up my steak into small edible bites so that it fits on a nacho chip. All right, in this bowl here, I have Himalayan salt and also smoked paprika and chipotle seasoning. And I'm just going to put this right on over my steak. I have garlic and onion powder in this little bowl, and this is also for my steak. All right, now that we have that seasoning, I'm gonna move that to the side. Move my cheese out of the way. Guys, this cheese is, oh my God, this is smoked Gouda, 3-pepper Kobe Jack cheese. Guys, these nachos are gonna be off the chain. I've grated the cheese already, so you guys are gonna wanna hang out for that. Okay, in this bowl, I have garlic and onion powder and some of my Creole seasoning. And I'm just gonna put it over my shrimp and my jumbo lump crab. Now these are 2 cans of this jumbo lump crab. And I'm just gonna pour it over here. Note, when you get these shrimp, you make sure that you take the tail out of them. These were already cooked, so that makes it a little easier. We're not gonna actually cook the shrimp and crab. We're just gonna go back and put it over it. All right, so I'm going to put this over the top of it like so. All right, and these seasonings smell so good, by the way. So I'm going to take a little bit of my Himalayan salt and just do a back and forth with it. You don't want too much salt, and fresh black pepper. Now I have my stove already on 400. And I have my cast iron skillet in the bag ready for this steak. It has a little bit of EVOO, honey. So I'm just gonna mix this up to get all of the seasoning throughout our shrimp and crab. I love seafood. This is one of my favorite foods. And I wanted something different today, something sort of light, but still really delicious and just something fun kind of to eat today. I didn't want anything too heavy. Over the week, ooh, I missed the tail. It is so important that you remove these tails off of these shrimp. And I believe this is mixed up well enough. I'm going to now dig into my steak and make sure it's mixed around. This chipotle seasoning, oh my goodness, guys. Oh, it smells so good. I actually purchased this seasoning where it's together. The chipotle and the smoked paprika are actually combined. But when I tell you, oh my goodness, it just smells so delicious. Okay, that's mixed up pretty good. I'm going to get it back on the iron. We're going to cut up these veggies and make our avocado sauce. Okay, guys, by the way, that steak smells so amazing. Oh, my goodness. We're going to start working on our avocado. And I have here sour cream. And in this bowl, I have onion powder and rosemary. And I'm going to add that right on in. Putting those in the food processor, and I'm going to have a little bunch of cilantro. I'm going to put that over here, in here as well. And I have my avocado already cut, and so I'm just going to take my spoon and just dig it on in here, honey. Now this is going to be super good with those yummy nachos. By the way, I did slice the avocado the long way so that I could just grab my spoon and dig it out. And this avocado is pretty small. You don't need a great big one. I love avocados, but you know, the smaller ones are just fine. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of my ranch seasoning and just sprinkle some right on in here. And I am going to grate peppercorns right on in here. Okay, and so next thing I'm going to do is take this lemon and roll it. It's pretty soft already. If you feel it giving a lot, then you don't really have to roll it for too long a period of time. Okay, so I'm just going to, we'll cut it about there. Because we don't need like a whole lot of it, but just enough. And so I am going to stick it in my juicer. Squeeze some of this juice in here. Alright, so I'll stick this on top. Place this here. We're going to blend that together. And you want this very smooth, like a sour cream. Let's check it out. I like that. So let's give it a good taste. Let's see. What is it tasting like? Oh my goodness. That is so good, guys. It doesn't need anything. Awesome. Alright, so my meat is finished. All of my meat here is cooked. I did fail to tell you, I put a couple pieces, about 3 slices of bacon into the oven, and I let it cook, and I chopped it up right here into really fine like bacon bits. So we're gonna cover the top of those nachos. All right, so I'm gonna take my green onions and I'm going to just slice them. All right, so I'm just gonna slide those on out of the way, and we're gonna grab our tomato and we're going to slice it. Now, everybody in my house does not like tomatoes, so when I make these, you'll see me do half of the pan with tomatoes and half without. I'll take half of this pepper. I don't really want the whole entire jalapeno pepper. And then we'll cut that up. Actually, I think that's good enough, and I'll cut these in half and kind of throw them over that top. All right, guys, we are getting ready to put these nachos together. Now it's time for the fun part of this video. Honey, it's time to put these surf and turfs together. So I've already taken the liberty of lining my pan with parchment paper. This makes it easy to clean. Anyways, guys, it's time to get to the goodness. All right, you can use whatever type of chips you desire. My favorite are the Cool Ranch Doritos, so that's what I'm going to use for my chips. So I'm going to take it and dump the whole bag in here. And probably about a bag and a half, possibly 2 bags, because I have a lot of mouths to feed in here, and we want to be full today. Yeah, I think about a bag and a half will get the job done. All right. That's good already, honey. So I'm going to take some of my cheese blend, and I'm going to make sure I get some of that smoked Gouda and the 3 pepper Kobe Jack. And I'm going to lay it down right on these chips. Now you're only going to bake this until it's like until the cheese melts. I'm sorry, sweethearts. You're going to bake it until the cheese melts, because remember, everything else is already cooked. All right, I'm going to take my steak and just start dropping it over these Doritos, honey. Oh my goodness, you guys, I cannot wait for this. Because first of all, you know, I was eating little pieces of the meat. It is super delicious. Okay, so I'm going to also take some of my shrimp and lump crab and just set it over the top. If you are a surf and turf lover, this is something you definitely want to try. And it is so delicious. Wait a minute, let me get all of this crab out of this bowl, honey. I want all of my goodness inside of here for sure. Next, I am going to take just a little bit more of both cheeses, and I'm just going to go over the top of this one more time. I'm going to add my green onions. Oh my goodness. This looks so good. Okay, first of all, I cannot sing, but this honey, this combination is making me do things I know I can't do. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of our jalapeno peppers and just drop a couple here and there. I don't want this too hot where we cannot enjoy it. However, if you love jalapenos, you can take this as far as you desire. One can go there. And I'm going to take bacon bits and I'm going to put a layer right over the top here. All right, and I'm going to take tomatoes and only put it on one half. And now it's time to put the rest of the cheese over the top. And the rest of our bacon bits. Okay, look at it. Can't you tell it's gonna be good? Oh my goodness. In the oven it goes for, it usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, but you just really want that cheese to go ahead and melt. All right, guys, I'll be back with that finished result, honey. Yummy surf and turf nachos. Are you ready? Well, would you look at here, honey, when I tell you. Alrighty, guys, it is time for my favorite part of the video. Honey, it is time to indulge. And that's exactly what I'm getting ready to do. I'm going to take some of our homemade avocado cream cheese, avocado sour cream, and I'm going to put it right over the top of it. We're going to bless the food. Let me get a moment of silence. All right, y'all, it's time to eat. Oh, I got some of the crab and some of this, oh my goodness, steak. Y'all, please try this. This surf and turf is absolutely scrumptious. All right, guys. Remember to live, love, laugh, and create. Until next time, guys.